Hello and welcome to Gadgets 360. CES is the hub of the bleeding edge of technology, even if everything you see may not actually make it to retail. At CES 2020, we managed to get our hands on some really interesting concept devices made by Dell. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already and hit the bell icon so you know when we post new video. Dell showcased 3 concept devices at this year's CES and we are going to talk about them one by one. If Nintendo Switch could run AAA PC games, it would be called Dell's Concept UFO. It features an 8-inch display and packs hardware that's good enough to play the latest PC games. You can use the Concept UFO in handheld mode with the controllers attached. Alternatively, you can even place the Concept UFO on any stable surface using its kickstand and detach the controllers to play. Finally, you can connect it to an external display and play using the controller or even a mouse and keyboard. The Concept UFO is powered by 10th generation Intel Core processors along with Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and Thunderbolt support. Unfortunately, this is just a concept device and there's no word on whether Dell will ever sell a product based on this concept. The Concept Duet is a dual screen device featuring two 13.4-inch touchscreen displays attached to each other using a hinge. While this device might look like a traditional notebook, it actually allows you to take a stylus and the touch-enabled second screen experience with you wherever you are. There are multiple use cases for the second screen, such as comparing and editing two different images or even using the second screen to quickly take notes while on a video conference call. Next comes the Concept Ori, which features a 13-inch display that can be transformed into a foldable tablet. Now this device does offer similar experiences and benefits to dual screens, but it has a single foldable display instead of two screens held together by a hinge. This makes it useful for reading articles in vertical mode, allows it to offer a bigger screen to watch movies, apart from productivity-oriented use cases such as taking notes while watching videos. Once again, these are just concept devices that won't be sold in the market anytime soon. That's all for this video. Share your thoughts on these devices and concepts in the comment section down below. Also, give this video a like and do share it with others. Thanks for watching, and for all things tech, log on to gadgets360.com.